Nomad Sculpt, Quick Shots Part 22. This is not about really about sculpting a tiny little car. It's about a technique you can use if you want, or if okay, I show you the Nomad app. We don't need the sphere. I delete it. I check orthographic view is on, wireframe is on, outline is on, and we need a box. I turn the division to 0 and I scale it a little bit down. Switch to the top view. This is the top view of the car, flat. I validate this object. And one new thing in Nomad Sculpt, the new update, you can hold the rotation cube where top and front and so on is, and you can hold it and then it snaps, it's get locked. For this we need the split tool, and the split tool make hole filling, switch it off, and we need the rectangular tool, and now we need the scene menu. You can pin it on the scene menu. We split now the objects and bring the parts together that they are merged, but not simple merged or voxel merged. They merge themselves. Okay, I trim the backside of the car, and now you got two objects, and when you select them and simple merge them, they can't be again separated. You can press separate, it's not possible. It's one object now with a trim. It's very important. I can go back a step and trim it again and show the solo view. And in the solo view, you can see its hole inside. And when you bring the two objects together, simple merge it. And for example, when you mask it and hide the mask, it's stick together. It's one object. Okay, this is important to know. I clear the mask. Okay, we split again. Split. This is the front side of the car. Select, simple merge the side. Select, simple merge the offset of the side. Simple merge, and we need a offset of the backside of the car. Simple merge, and the window, the front window is about this. Simple merge, and we can the backside of the car about this, and the front about this. Simple merge. We can use the mirror function and bring the left side to the right, and then I think we are finished with splitting. Okay, the last time I tried the video, it crashed. Why is the question? I don't know. We use the mask, reduce the size of the brush, and symmetry is on, is okay. And now we can mask this part. With the gizmo tool, we can bring this part in position. And now you see what happens with the trimmed faces. Okay. With the mask we can clear. And now it's important to know, you always have to know what happens when you subdivide it. This is the result when you subdivide the face or the object. The more you trim it or split it in parts, the result is the final result is with a subdivision. And always remember what happens. Okay. In the side view, we can use the selection mask and use also the gizmo and scale it a little bit up. And you can now use the sculpting functions, or you can use the mask and try what happens when you mask some parts. When you use the gizmo tool, you can make adjustments, or you can do it like this, and try always what happens when you use the subdivision. You can do many things with this and try what happens. Okay. And sculpting is also allowed. You can go back with the subdivision, and you can use the drag function. For example, we go to the top view, and you can squeeze it a little bit and adjust it. Yes, do funny things with it. Is the mask on? Yes. I bring this a little bit up. And let it look like this. Okay. Sorry, I clear the mask. And now I try the subdivision. And I think it's fine. Your car can look very different. Okay, we can subdivide it again, make it smoother or not. We can also use the subdivision with a flat subdivision and turn it off and try what happens. Okay. And when you're fine with this object, you can use the mask, for example. I hope. Yes. And the higher the mesh is, the clearer the object is. Okay. When you have this in the mask settings, you can bring the shell thickness to 0 and extract it. Or you can use the split function and use shell setting and split it. And now you can use the selection mask to give it a thickness and extract it. Or, sorry, go to minus and extract it. Sorry, I deleted the wrong one. Okay, I leave it. This is a mesh. And this is the mesh, and this is a right mesh I have to delete. Okay. And this object we can make additive and give it a color. Now you got windows in the car. And turn the wireframe off, and you can add come on, a cylinder. Rotate it. And mirror it. Validate it. And now you can use again the mirror function. You can use which plane we need. The blue Z-axis. You can duplicate it. Symmetry off. I got a mistake. I duplicated only. What's symmetry off now? It's okay. Scale it a little bit. I think this is enough for this little car. Okay, and I give it red. And now we got a car. With this technique of the cube or something to split it and bring it together, you can do many things. Shoes, this shape of a car, and so on. You can try it or not. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.